So there's a friend of mine who brought me a projector with an error, and we have removed that error and fixed the projector. How it's done? Let's watch. So if you see that blinking light, that denotes that there's a huge amount of heat generated by the projector. The projector comes on and switches off immediately. So I need to know what's wrong with it. In order to find out, let's open up the projector. On close inspection, I notice that the fan that is supposed to cool the bulb from the front side is not working, and so I have to open up the circuit board in order to make sure that we find out what the actual problem is. That's the fan that's supposed to be working, but it doesn't work. On removing the circuit board, we can now have access to that fan, and we'll remove it to see why it is not working. I wanted to make sure that what error I have found is actually the right error, because it could be not just the fan but something else. And by the way, I actually found a nut lodged in the tray when I removed that fan, and so I want to actually check it out and see if the fan is now turning and it's not an error or a faulty circuit board. And yes, the fan now is turning, the light is on, and if you see, I've placed the fan near the light to make sure that there is some kind of cooling that happens, and the light lasts for a little longer. So hopefully this is the only error that has happened. So let's close it up and give it a final try. So now you can see that once I've switched it on, the indicator is blinking and we do not have an error on it, and slowly the bulb will turn on. I'm kind of doubting it, but let's see. Yeah, actually I made a mistake. I had it on lock position, and once we have opened up that lock, you'll see that the signal is now coming in the sense the projector has turned on and it's not switching off right now. Let's connect it to a laptop and see how it works with a laptop. And now you can actually see that it has been connected to my laptop, and there's some picture on it. That means the video transmission is working, as well as it hasn't switched off yet. And that's how we can actually try and see how we can fix an Epson EX51 projector.